What are you doing, Bria Bean? You being a good girl? You say, hi, Grandma, hi, Grandpa. Show them how you play. Grandma wanted videos of Bria, because she saw lots of videos of Dawson. Her little legs are kicking. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa. Are you playing peekaboo behind your toy? There you are. Oh, Dawson wants to look too. You see Brianna on there?
Oh, yes. This.
Okay, Dawson. Don't you want to kiss her? Okay, you go kiss Bria then. Vic, go kiss Bria quick. Give her a kiss on the head. Aw, nice boy. Brianna. Where's your smiles? Where's your smiles? Where's your smiles?